start our project. For to run our project, we'll write Python main, which is our main file .py, and after hitting the enter button, the program will get started. And as it is running on an IP address, we copy from here and we'll paste it over here. And if we wanted, we can directly click on the link and it will open directly into a default browser, which is my Safari. So currently I will show on the Google Chrome only. So this is a total number of logs which have generated yet now, and I will show you how to clean the log. See, this is a real-time count going on our total log, and here is anomalies, which means unethical or unwanted activities which is performed by the user in the log, and the log is captured. This is basically a user activity log which captures all the movement of the user in, out, how, where he log in, how he log in. We'll see on the we'll see all this detail on the log separately. And here's a high severity, which means what are the chances of getting hacked or have some malicious file in the system, and with it's showing the 4, which means there's a 4 activity happened, which has it which has been detected. Of it's now 5. So here is the alert chart. It's a 365 chart. So here it's showing 5, it's 7 medium, and the low is 12. Oops, sorry. This thread distribution, I don't know why my chart is not working. After refreshing, it's showing, but after a moment it gets vanished. Okay, now we have total 102 logs. So here is a live log which you can see, but it's not completely. I will show where here the log is a complete log, which yet 105 has reached. So at the first, it's a serial number 106, 107 has come down. This serial number, I don't know why it's coming up. It is timestamp in minute or the moment where the log is generated from the activity which has detected. And then there is a username, who is the user. So basically, I have hard coded the user log, so it will create the same name of the peoples continually. And the next is action. What is the action performed by the user, like query, data transfer, file access, update, config changes, file access, log out, login. All this. The first comes if login, and another is IP address, which you can see directly what IP address the person is accessing. And next is status, what the browser status of the user is: 403, 404, 201, 404. That's all. And the next step is detail. It gives the complete idea of the detail what the user has performed, like user grace performed, data transferred from this ID, and the status is 200. Charlie performed the query to this IP address, and so on. Is the data transferred, file access from this IP. Oh, here I guess is a brute force attack has been found while performing this status detected brute force attack. Here is a SQL injection activity has been caught. Basically to detect the uh, or to identify the pattern, I have used the machine learning forestry to identify the attack on the users. So this is an alert page where all the medium, high, and low elements could get captured with the message, what the message is coming up. And I have added a module of send email, but it's not working right now. So if you click on it, it will not work. It's a future work basically. Now if we go to threads, there is a complete list of threads, all low, medium, high. We can filter it out like this are the high filters. So total count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We match from the year like we have 7. This is very high, and the medium and the low come on the medium, and there is low. So these are all thread work. This you can download the report, and after clicking, it is at opening. I know it will take some little time to open. Let's move this. Once you complete log, you can see. Oh, that's it. It's there. Our project is, and here you can see this change mode in the color. And coming to the code, these two files are for CSS and JavaScript. Under templates, I have alert HTML, index, logs HTML, report HTML, and a thread HTML. Then there is activity.csv file, which is where the log has been generating. I will just delete this. And the next is alerting.py, which alerts the log, app.log, which contains all the activity of my activity, when the server started, when the server stopped, all the IP has been generated, all this data has been stored in this log. It is database.py, which use SQLite to store the data of the users. It's the code for generating the log. It's log.db, which is my database of storing the log. I have cleared this, and if I will start the project again, it will show all my logs from the start. I use the generate from number one. This is my main.py, which means my main file of the program, and this is my machine learning module I have used to detect the threat, and this is reporting.py, which helps to reporting the error, the activity, and these are the packages which we need to require to access this. Flexor, socket.io, Panda script, scikit-learn, NumPy, Python, socket.io, eventlet. So I will just start the program again. Python main.py has started. I will just refresh it from here and see. You can see the from zero now it's two log is generated. Slowly the moment it will generate and it will create the new logs. Let's. I think it's when it should stop the project because it will take time to detect all the activities of the users, and according to that, it will generate the errors or the attacks. Thank you.